Hi, welcome to Craft Little Things. I'm Andrea and I'm going to show you how to make this little stack of boxes. I've already got started on some of it and I'm afraid I can't tell you what the centimetre measurements are because I've had a bit of a clear up and I've lost my conversion. So I'll just have to make do with inches for today. So we're starting off with 3 pins. Some of them I've already scored, but I am going to save a couple to score with you. So I'm starting off with 3 pieces of basic black. One measures 8 by 8 inches, one measures 7 by 7 inches, and one measures 6 by 6 inches. And then I've got 3 colours. I've got the Grapefruit Grove, which measures 6 by 6 inches, and I've got the lovely lipstick, which measures 5 by 5 inches, and I've got the Pineapple Punch, which measures 4 by 4 inches. Now, scoring is pretty straightforward for these. The 3 basic black pieces need to be scored at 2 inches on each side, okay? So score those at 2 inches on each side, and I've already scored and I've already burnished those. So instead of me whizzing through like I usually do, I thought I'd do them in advance and then go through a couple with you. So on the coloured pieces then, you want to be scoring at 1 inch on each side, but you want to move away from the side just slightly, just a 1/16 of an inch, so that the lids fit nice and snugly. So I'm just going to do a couple of these with you. This is the 5 by 5 piece. I'm going to move it very slightly away from the edge and then score at 1 inch all the way around. These are just going to make our nice vibrant lids. These boxes are all about being very crisp and clean and classic, so they're not about fanciness, and the beauty of them is in the precision of them. So really be careful with your measurements, your cutting, your scoring. She says you're scoring, she goes off the line. You're cutting and scoring, because that's the beauty of these boxes. They're very simple, but they look fabulous because they're so clean cut. So we'll just score the remainder of those lines then, and what we're going to do is really going to score them nice and sharply, because of that precision being what makes them beautiful. I just wanted to show that you can make something really, really gorgeous without lots of faff and without lots of extra bits. Sometimes things just look super pretty, just really, really, really simple and basic, and that's what I wanted to show with this project. So, and these are all done now. So all we're going to do with all of them is cut up the bottom right score line up to the first horizontal. So just cut up that bottom right score line up to your first horizontal. Turn it around and do the same. So then all you want to do is pop glue onto the inside flap of all your flaps, and like I said, you shouldn't need to notch in if you've been quite precise with your I've done that in the wrong place. Great start. Just going to scrape the glue off with that. That needs to be, I did put it in the right, no, that needs to be on the inside. So you want your glue on the right side of your flaps. And I do find that Tombow is a good glue for this, because it gives you a little bit of wiggle room and it does make your box super sturdy. It's not going to be all pinged apart in the morning when you get up, which has happened to me obviously because I've mentioned it lots of times with other glues. Not usually with a wet glue, but I like working with Tombow because you don't need a lot of it. So you've not got your paper all soggy and losing its integrity all over the place. Okay, and then we're going to do exactly the same for the lids. So we'll start off with the smallest lid in this lovely pineapple punch. Like I say, it's just so easy, this project. It really is. Yet it just looks so cute. And do exactly the same as we did for the boxes. So that, my fellow crafty little things, is that. I've got those lovely boxes. Look at that for a little stack of boxes. That is so cute and so elegant, and you don't need to do anything else to them. You can just leave them like that and just stack them wherever. I mean, even from the top they look nice, don't they? Oh, I think I'll get a nice picture of those. Oh yes, I think I'll take a lovely picture, photograph of those. So there you go, that's it. Just all you need, it's just let the colours do the talking. The nice elegant black, and then these crisp lovely new in colours. It's just so cute, and how easy and simple is that. And then if you wanted to wrap it all up, that's what people tend to do nowadays, wrap it all up with some black ribbon, it would look a beautiful little set of boxes to gifts to somebody, to keep whatever they want to keep in. So cute. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you again very shortly. Take care. Bye bye.